affordable. Very.
Yes, we have a lot of... actually, marami kami pira. Magpira pa dala. Anong order mo?
Actually, I want to order to take this all. It's very affordable. All of the drinks are very affordable. Right in Marco Polo Hotel. Very affordable. Very affordable.
So we will choose now.
Meow.
Kaila.
May check your order, please.
We have...
Right. Okay, kaayo. Good afternoon, Madlang Dabawenyos. And now we are here outside sa Marco Polo Hotel to have our coffee break. And by the way, welcome to Kokoy Vlog. Hashtag Koreanong Bisaya in collaboration with YAYA OZAWA. And hello there, Kokoy Moen.
Welcome. Tara lang hugutara YAYA OZAWA for our first collaboration here at Marco Polo Hotel.
Alright, so let's go. Let's get inside for our coffee break. That way. So this way. Okay, this way. So
so we have the security guard is here so that we are
correct. Good afternoon.
Yes. We are
What's your name, Kuya? You can see yourself at Kokoy vlog.
Yes, is YAYA OZAWA MOR.
Yes.
DJ Kokoy Martin.
Yes po.
I'm always listening of MOR. Oh,
Wow.
that's good. We have MOR. DJ YAYA OZAWA. And then DJ Kokoy Martin.
Kokoy Martin. Di ano sir, kanding.
Koreanong
Koreanong kanding.
Ano ba sa'yo kuya? Thank you kayo. Masulot kami kayo, mga pumili.
Yes. Thank you. That way.
Wait.
So this is it, guys.
This is it, guys.
Thank you, ya. Bantay. Bantay at the van.
The van is
Running away.
Maybe legitimize us.
Oh my G, a lot of fun. A lot of fun here.
Yeah, so let's go here. We have a fountain.
Yes.
Yes. Hello everyone. We're here at so that YAYA OZAWA is with the fountain.
It's the fountain, it's the cake.
Yeah, it's the fake, it's the do note. Come on, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so this is it. The cars are coming, so let's go.
So first, we're here.
Yes,
So
put your bag.
put your bag.
Let them check your bag.
Yes. So we're here. It's close monitoring and security together with the people. Hi, sir. This is Kokoy Vlog. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, we're in Marco Polo. Yes. So YAYA OZAWA is finally here. Hello.
Our friends.
Yes, our friends. The YAYA OZAWA friends. Oh, wow. That's good. Yes.
She's English.
So the challenge now is finally accepted. Yeah, we're here. They are the... Oh. YAYA OZAWA is together with the friends. This is the lobby of Marco Polo. Yeah.
We say hi to Kokoy vlog.
Yes, you're here at the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Oh, I have a lot of business.
So
Say now?
actually they are the ones
Yes.
who are...
They are
They're the ones. I'm about to meet too.
Yes.
We have a business meeting.
Oh. So we're here.
Joking.
No, we go to the coffee shop in
We're here to try the coffee, the delicious coffee of Marco Polo Hotel. Before we proceed there, I think we have to say hi to the front desk area.
Yeah. So let's see. No, you don't need to go to the front desk. I'm so sorry.
Videographer is like clumsy, you know.
Can I get your bag?
It's okay.
It's okay, go.
sir. So today is a very special day.
Yeah.
We are here to invade Marco Polo Hotel for the very first time.
Yeah.
Just have
This is YAYA OZAWA house.
actually this house.
Yes. And look
I,
at the
I
a lot
kept
of.
it for a very long time.
We will tour to your dining table.
Yeah, so we are here to try my mom's coffee.
Yeah. So there are a lot of visitors right here.
So
So,
we will order. That's fine. Coffee.
Na,
Table for two.
table namin
But
kwan.
one coffee. For the sake of our vlog.
Yeah.
Actually, na. Can you say hi to Coca-Cola, please? Hi,
Hi,
Koreanong
ka.
Bisaya.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Are you familiar with Korean?
Kamusta na mo? How? Happy, it's good. It's good. So now,
It's actually full in my sala. You know?
yeah. Let's go to the sala. Yeah, here. Oh my, they prepared really a chair for us. That's good. So,
Nice break, really. Here at Marco Hotel. So it's here today. For drinks, and for drinks. So this menu is for drinks.
Yeah.
This is for food.
okay.
So what will you choose? Drinks or food?
We will choose the drink.
Drinks
Yeah.
only because we have.
Because yeah.
We don't have cash here. We
Yeah.
have cards. Okay, so this time, come on. Let's choose a Marco Polo Java drink.
For the coffee, juices pa.
Beers? Beers? Before my duty, right?
Yeah. Before duty.
Okay, so actually their menu is very it's quiet. It's really unique.
Yeah, yeah,
Here
yeah.
in Philippines, we have this kind of charla.
So we'll order.
We have cocktails, spirits. Oh my gosh, spirits! Spirit.
Oh, you have the spirit.
Cognac. Actually, I don't know what cognac is. But here, it's brandy.
Brandy, yeah.
Shot. Liquors. Or I'm spelling.
Liquors.
Like liquors. And
You're gonna lick
beers.
and then liquors.
My favorite, but I don't need to drink beers because I still have my duty and was happy. And soft drinks. And mineral water and juices. We also need hot beverages. It's hot beverages. Okay, hot beverages.
So now we will order.
Okay, so guys, what would you like to order? Coffee? Coffee and milk? Coffee large? Hot tea?
Hot tea.
What would you prefer? Would you like to have coffee? Would you like to have coffee and milk with me? Or would you like to have coffee large?
Thank you so much. Look at the. It's very good.
There's an English pala right there. There's an English person. I have to be pressurized myself.
The foreigner is.
Yeah, they're looking at me right now like they want to talk to me. Oh my gosh, I don't need to talk to you, man. Very affordable. Very.
Yes, we have a lot of. Actually, marami kami pira. Magpira pa dala. Anong order mo?
Actually, I want to take this all because very affordable. All of these drinks are very affordable. Right in Marco Polo Hotel. Very affordable. Very affordable.
Sorry. So we will choose now.
Ma'am,
Ay, last.
may check your order, please.
We have the.
Isang good man. Yes, Kokoy, decaf or
Namoy na ilo?
mahilo siya ako to.
Hot choco. It's good. Hot choco only for so that I can grow. So hot choco only.
One choco and one decaf. Meaning to say two only.
No more food.
Food.
We're just eat. So
We
no.
just, baka may kaon na. We
We just now eat, so no more foods, drinks only. Okay? Wala.
Desserts.
Dagdag pagkapagkaon daw yan.
Yeah,
Sige
banana
na,
split.
baktas sa kapag-uli yan. Ba't mo, commute ko pero
Actually, we just received our salary. 1 day billion.
1 billion eh.
Our salary from YouTube. So, thank you so much, YouTube. Dami niya sa feeling mo. What would you like to order? Would you like to order appetizers? Salads?
Nagulat ko.
Sandwiches?
Nagulat ang nagkuha nga. Milo na mong gi-order sa Marco Polo. Kape yung 3-in-1 na kape yung Milo.
Hindi na mag-food. Hindi na yung food. Sorry for
Incoming.
extra work. Only caffeinated coffee and one hot tea. Yes. You got it right.
You got it right, pangalitok. So now, while waiting for the
Orders.
saka sa misa taas kay nagdana ni Yaya Ozawa.
But
Ano?
no.
Why?
After we will go back here, this seat will be taken from our neighbors.
Gatoy. Bato ni mo nakatagkadiyot. Agto sa misa taas ha.
So we're waiting for our order here at our cafeteria. We'll have to tour you in our house.
Kadato.
This is my house.
Yeah.
Actually, this is an orphanage program by me. So I am sending the people who are unfortunate in their lives.
Tara naman, nakakadata dito kay
I
Mao.
will tour you the second level of my house.
Dukuang bulay si po. Taas kayo. Taas ang tilay.
I'm just a very simple person, but very rich.
Rich. Hanap. Ting, ting, ting.
So this is my favorite place in my house. My mirror.
House tour din.
Yeah, house raid.
House raid.
So this is my favorite spot. Like you can see a mirror, so I can see my beautiful face.
Sa yun.
So,
Ting, ting, ting. Katriyo.
come on, let's go. Just go slowly. Despacito.
Wow!
This is my practice place.
Mm.
Where I practice my voice talent, like my singing ability. I have to practice my. This is my. Actually, this is a private, but sometimes my orphanage is using this. So this is it. Oh, this is my favorite.
Yes.
That lobby, and this is the most actually my favorite also spot in this house. Welcome to my kusina.
So, let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Yeah.
Come on.
This the kusina ni Yaya Ozawa. Kusina ni Yaya Ozawa. Oh. Kung ano po po.
I'm looking for my Yaya. Yaya?
This is
Please arrange my food. Oh, come on, guys, come on.
Come on, guys. This
Feel free to join.
picture. Uy, napad yun siya ship. Oh.
Oh, that is my chef.
Yeah.
His name is Ronald. And this is my favorite. My very favorite part of my cuisine is this chocolate brownies.
Natuwa.
I want to eat, but I am on a diet.
Yeah.
So this is my favorite spot as well. And this spot where I keep my wines and black wines and everything.
Okay. Let's go.
So this is the table that is always reserved for my boyfriends. So they place themselves there.
Ikaw po mag-video sa mga. Nato kayo. Eh, napay. So,
You want to see my room?
Yeah.
Maybe next.
The swimming pool.
The swimming pool.
Yeah.
Swimming pool. Okay, let's go.
Is that your room?
Oh, actually, do you still remember my travel to Singapore?
Yeah.
Prepare. Okay, first. Come on.
Peppers. So, okay. Yeah. That's sweetness. So, now we're here.
So, actually, this is my ballroom. This is my where I practice.
Ting, What? Oh, ballroom.
With the Embassy of
Singapore. Oh,
They
yeah.
are now preparing my papers going to Singapore.
Oh, that's
To
good.
have my travel, like eating peanuts there.
Yeah.
So, let's go. Alright, this time. After ko napakita sa inyo ang aking living room, ang aking favorite spots, ang aking kusina, and yung nag-prepare po ang mom and dad ko for my travel to Singapore next week. You know, this time, I have to take you to our swimming pool. Lego. There pala.
Wow. Yes. Wow.
Actually,
Yeah. Yes. Hello. So we go to the third floor
the
of.
third floor, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's such a privilege to be with the Koreanong Kanding. Thank you for inviting me to your vlog. I know I'm
Yes.
so famous. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Yeah. So.
Ay,
Hello, Goku. This is not a god.
Okay,
God.
let's go.
Wait, you want the picture there?
Sure.
So that I can picture you. It's a lotus court. So we're finally here. Smile. This is a picture of you. Yeah, that's good.
You want to?
No picture so that I'm involved in your vlog in the house raid of YAYA OZAWA.
Yeah,
This
so-
is her house.
This is a privilege. Another event happening right now. This is the United Nations Development Program.
Oh yes.
So with my aunt.
So where is the? Can you ask your waiter where is the? Yeah, where is the swimming pool? Hey,
Fourth floor. I'm really sorry.
sorry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's go. We will go now to the fourth floor. So visitors.
This event is brought to you by my mom and my dad.
Yeah. So wow. She is assisted with the chef. Oh, it's open. Let's go. Fourth floor.
Yeah, fourth floor. I'm sorry because of the bigness of my house.
Yes.
I find very hard time to memorize them all. The parts of this house. So this is it.
This is.
The pool area. Finally.
Wow. Whoa! Look at that. Is
Here's
that
my
your?
uncle. So everyone, this is my swimming pool where your body
Yeah.
flies.
So this is
And
it.
actually, aside from my kusina, I also have here my merienda room.
Merienda room?
Where I eat my merienda every day. That's why I'm so beautiful. I'm so perfect. Oh, like that.
Let's go.
So actually, Marco Polo came from the word was named by my dad.
Wow. Is this your
This is my
swimming
so,
pool?
Come, take a look.
Come on.
Have a look.
Have a look. Oh my gosh! I look some.
So, as you can see, oh my G, it's already positioning. It's already positioning. Maybe I have to scold her or warning her. Why are you positioning like that? I'm not ready. Or you're so ready. Are you proud that it's so white compared to
No.
mine? So have a close up.
Oh, wait, close up this.
Oh, so amazing.
The positioning is very good. I like it.
Yeah. So do you like it? Do you want me to do that? Okay. I will invite you in my first ever pasilip on my pool that I am swimming.
Yeah. Next time. So let's go.
Let's go.
Because
It's already what
it's
time
already
is it?
your worker.
I don't have to worry about my work because I only ABS season.
Do you want to go inside? Can we go?
Maybe not.
You're not.
Maybe not because my auntie and my uncle are having their meetings right
Okay,
there.
that's good.
Oh my gosh, that is so contagious. Di ako ay magkana. Ano lang ginana ito yung puro naman. Ano Hindi kayo siya balik na position.
Positioning is real.
Hindi siya to take away ba?
Come on. Our coffee is maybe
Served by Bebe.
deserved. Yeah.
And actually, I have a lot of rooms here. Whenever I have visitors, I just simply place them
What
there.
is that?
This is a deck. This is my favorite and very favorite place in this house of mine. The deck.
The deck, so?
Yeah. The room says itself.
What? Galing.
Yeah, so thank you very much for this very perfect opportunity. Thank you, Koreanong, for visiting my house.
Yeah, thank you so much.
It's such an honor I'm happy na napasiya yung house ko.
Dato
Like,
kayo.
This is the very first time na napatingin ka talaga after all these years. So let's go back to our lobby.
Yes, because
For our coffee break. Very productive house raid we had. Oh, nice.
so finally we're here, and can we tour to your artifacts?
They are.
What is artifacts?
What time is it now?
It's already 2:25.
2:25. Ang late na. Mas hapon. Bayo.
Alala, oo na mi. Giblit. Tayo ka pangitan. Ano mo sa'yo? Humana ka, gihimo ko na tig-video sa yung house raid. So, magkinom na mi karon kay nagkuhan mi og karang the cafe, caffeinated og karang Milo. Nag-Milo na mi sa Marco Polo kay barato na Milo re.
Portable kayo. Alin na ba't ka re? Shot na rin kape.
Kanawang background niya yung asawa. Oh, nga dati.
They are my friends.
Ano lingit sa mo, boy. Take it. Agatay. Ano sa Marco Polo karon kay nakuha mo rin, vlogging na rin, first vlogging niya, salary vlogging.
First salary from YouTube. I hope I have to. I hope to.
Dami tayo magkuha namin, mga pia namin.
Nawala ng kainit sa kape. Kay ganihan na nagulat dire.
Kuha rin kape, patay tali. Ano nga sa'yo? Cheers for success para first
COLLAB.
First collab. YAYA OZAWA DJ Kokoy Martin. Shot na nila. Grami kayo. Okay, may background po rin eh.
It's our friends, actually. I have invited my friends here from US, from Singapore, to have coffee with us right now. So they're enjoying the coffee. So good for you guys. You're enjoying the coffee. Thank you so much for visiting my house.
Like the YouTube.
Corrected by. Visit my Visit DJ YAYA OZAWA YouTube channel and my Facebook page, DJ YAYA OZAWA. And again, thank you so much, Koreanong Kokoy Martin, for this opportunity. God bless us all. Sayonara. Affordable. I have to pay with my first sweldo ng YouTube.
First,
Hello. Okay. So I think I have to count my coins.
Coins.
Magyap tag coins. So man pag akong coins uy.
Dagan kayo.
So akong coins.
Pagdali na kay malit na to.
Hindi na lang ko magyap sa akong coins.
Kag coins si Yaya Ozawa dato kayo. Magani ni uban ko gigilibre ko ng tsokolate sa Marco Polo. Dapat yung biskuit.
Very affordable.
Oh, di ba? Oh, horot.
Diba 180. 180 tilok.
Hello, Maya.
Tilok dapat po.
Tilok.
180 good low. Pwede pa dalaw na tulong lugar.
Uy, dalaan na. Dalaan na nga si Kol.
Is 180.
Uy, kana ulak ko kayo man. Uy.
Wings
Sibli. Kana kita mayaman kayo niya.
dalaw na to ni Jai. Balo mo guys, kanina 180. Imagine that 180 niya. Kung mapalit na ko biscuit nga katong stick do sa uy. Sabi ay, di mga kung tubig ka tilusing init.
Go.
Ano, kuskan ni.
Tingnan, tsukol ka Milo.
Kung ako mama mo,
City lang.
Milo. City ra. Butangan
Magkano pila din eh? 1?
150.
Eh, biskuto
150, 180. Tingala ka, 180 gamay. 150 dako. Ang sad yung world. Ha? What happened to the world? Sana oil.
Bakit mana may na? Agka na may diri nag inom na may Milo.
Coffee sa akong
Oh.
kusina.
Dali.
Pag bye, say bye.
Bye. Eh, dari mo tama. Interest ba yun? Gawas na ka dali. Annyeonghaseyo. Kumusta? Thank you kayo. Thank you.
Bumalik ka sila sa room na nag-board. Paraan mo ba siya? Tapos naman kanila. Pwede mo nita to. Ibang kanila nga mga libre lang ba? Pwede ragod na. Pwede ragod na.
Tanawa na.
Wala akong balay actually. Di ba perfect ay mong balay? Eh. Mga ayaw kung yung ginoyanuha.
Kinato kayo. House raid kayo eh.
Salamat yan. Bye po.
Bye. Lain na nanulod din ang gapi. Thank you. Salamat kayo. Lalak ka.
Kailan na mo sa kuwang tinod na pagkatao. Muna ngayon kung yung person na lang eh. Dapo mo.
Dato kayong
Kuha pa lang, labi pa lang ako mga pop-pop dito kay mga foreigner. So di mo magkya diha.
Natuwa.
Pero
Dato
hindi gulong kung ano nabaktas mo ko. Dari karon nga dako. Wala ko nakapark sa sulod, no?